Hey, what's up? This is Mikey at Blue Monkey Bicycles, and in this video you're going to learn how to use the display found on Yamaha equipped bicycles with the PWX or the PWSE system. Let's do this! First we're going to do a quick overview, a quick start guide, and then we're going to change the clock, probably the first thing that you'll want to do on the bike. Then we're going to get deep and get in the real nitty-gritty. So first up, make sure that the battery is charged and properly placed on the bike. Alright, power up the bike by pressing the power button on the display itself. Press the up and down buttons on the switch to increase or decrease the pedal assist level, and press the light button on the display itself to turn on or off the lights, assuming the bike is equipped with it. Pressing the function select button on top of the switch will scroll through the function display on the middle of the display. So that and pedal assist and you're pretty much ready to ride. Be sure to always wear a helmet. Make sure the bike is properly assembled, including tire pressure, handlebars set for rider height, weight, preference, check your local laws for e-bike legality, inform loved one before venturing too far known terrain, employ the use of riding buddy where necessary, update any medical records, whereby medical tags, leaving your deceased will, answering machine message or emergency contact information, the resources include. Okay, let's go ahead and change the clock. From the main menu, press and hold the function select button for a couple of seconds and you will enter what is called stopwatch and settings. From here, press the up or down arrow to navigate to the time adjust page. Confirm that page by pressing function select and that will get you in. The hour metric will now flash. Press the up or down button on the switch to scroll between 0 and 24 hours and press the function select again to confirm and move on to the minutes. Same routine from here. Press function select again and you're ready to go. Now that we got the important stuff out of the way, let's go ahead and backtrack all the way to the beginning and we'll go deep and I'll show you every single function within the display. Let's do it. The main display shows you quite a bit at a glance: the battery charge level, current speed, assist mode, power output, and variable function. We'll get to that in a sec. But what I think is pretty neat is the colored LED on the top. Green is for Eco Plus and Eco, blue is for Standard and High, and yellow for EXPW mode. If you see a steady or flashing red light on the LED, then that means the unit needs some professional TLC. There are a lot of cool features packed into the display. The variable function display right here can be scrolled through with a single press of the function select button on the switch. Sounds about right. In the following order, you've got total odometer, trip set, average speed, max speed, range estimate, detailed battery capacity, cadence per minute, and a clock. The detailed battery capacity is pretty self-explanatory, and we already covered the clock. The total odometer can't be reset, by the way. Cadence per minute is a measurement of how fast you're pedaling at a given time, which is great for tracking health or rehabilitation progress. The range estimate is based on power level. The higher the assist is set, then the lower the range estimate. A trip set, a maximum speed, and an average speed readout aren't too tough to understand, and they all behave the same way. They continue counting even after the bike is turned off and then turned on again for another ride, and they can be reset through the settings menu. Speaking of the settings menu, let's go ahead and jump into that right now. The settings menu is accessed by pressing the function select button for a couple of seconds, and then you'll see the following list: stopwatch, time adjust, remember that, distance unit, display items, reset, blue, USB, LED, and exit. Stopwatch is the first page of the settings menu. After pressing the function select to confirm the stopwatch page, the display will now act as a stopwatch. Pretty neat. Press the function select button once to start or pause the counter, press and hold the button to reset the counter, or to exit the stopwatch mode entirely. Let's go ahead and jump into the reset menu, maybe the most common thing you'll use in the settings menu at all. Scroll to the reset page and press function select to confirm, and now we're in the right place. You can highlight which of the three counters you want to reset. Whatever is selected will be wiped out as soon as you click function select to leave the page. Okay, other stuff to go over in the settings menu. The display items page, you can customize the metrics you would like displayed in the main menu. It works just like the reset page, on or off, and then confirm to exit. The LED page allows you to turn on or off the colored LED lights for pedal assist. It doesn't actually change pedal assist, it just changes the lights. The USB page lets you change the USB port from a communication port to a power supply for a phone or something else. The distance unit lets you change from kilometers to miles. Blue page lets you change the Bluetooth settings from reporting cycling speed cadence profile and instead reporting cycling power profile, or you can turn Bluetooth off. Alright, now you know how to use the display on electric bikes rocking the PWX or PWSE system. So thanks for watching this video. If there's anything else that you want to see covered in another topic, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. You can click like, you can click subscribe. All these things really help us out quite a bit. Enjoy your bicycle and you are going to have so much fun. I can promise you that. Oh gosh, I wish I was out right now. I'm recording this video and I wish I was outside.